In this program pillar, we want to look at the needs for infrastructure to make sure that we can feed the need, especially when we are moving towards renewable and future energies. This will be as much looking at the challenges of transportation of energy, storage of energy, and also the fact that many of the renewable energies are not available at the same time, at the same level, as sometimes is necessary for the end user. So in the first session, we want to address a fundamental challenge we're seeing in Europe. Renewable energy installations take real estate, and we're not always having it, and there is a rising opposition to build such big installations. So we're asking ourselves the question, can the developing world be the place where we actually generate renewable energies for us? And we will be looking at some outstanding projects in Northern Africa and some other regions of the world where big renewable energy installations are built in areas which are either desert or not usable for other means, and which could be, over the coming year, given the right infrastructure, allow us to actually access it from Europe and give those developing countries a new product to export. Then we will actually look at the infrastructure we will need to support this evolution towards renewable energies. This goes from smart grids to questions like storage of energy, new ways of accessing energy, new ways of decentralizing many of the installations. So this will be also a very important topic, because many of this infrastructure to allow energy to be transported to the end user will have to be rethought and rebuilt. And at the end, we will actually look at what is necessary to build the cities of the future much more ready for a world of renewable and future energies. Decentralized cities, closeness between work and living, much more integration with public transport. All those questions we will be looking at and trying to understand what it needs to make a city much more energy efficient. In these sessions, you will be able to hear from experts like the CTO of Centec, a researcher from the Smart Grid Laboratory of the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, the VP of Smart Grid Technology from Schneider Electric, and the VP of Smart Grid Business Development of Alcatel-Lucent.